I'm go ahead and do it for 2 nails. For these 2 nails, and it's just really simple and super cute. We can using all of applies and tie the nails. Make sure if you are going to apply and tie the nails, like for the chamfer foil, make sure you are covered them all. Don't miss any spot because it's not going to chamfer if you are going to miss any of a spot here. So wanna keep for 30 seconds. And then moving on, that is on the premium iHo chamfer foil on the top of the green. Hello everyone, thanks so much for tuning in. I'm so happy that I am here, and I'm so happy that you are here with me. Thanks so much for Instagram fam, Facebook fam, YouTube fam, TikTok fam, and Twitch fams. You are all online. It looks really nice in person, and why it looks dark and under Facebook and YouTube and Twitch. But if you see it in person, this color is so beautiful. And also there's all the cute centerpiece. You can pick like a random 10 pieces of a centerpiece. I'm absolutely obsessed with this as well. This is something that definitely I love, and I think we did one of the nails like last video. So I'm not using this is super cute chamfer foils is box, perfect for the holiday. I'm probably gonna do this one. Last time we did already, so I'm gonna do this one. It doesn't matter whatever you do, it's gonna look so beautiful. Is you will never go wrong with this. So I am go ahead and applies it all on the nails, and keep in mind you are you can do it diagonal, you can do however you would like. You don't have to do it just a straight way. You can do angle, diagonal, half nails, full nails, however you would like and however your clients would like. So I'm gonna give it a good pressures using the dual end tweezers. Here's a tip and trick if you want to get like a really cool, perfect of the way for your chamfer foil. I always have the background of the similar colors, so then it gives it really nice complements for the chamfer foil. Give a good rub. Closer to the cuticles. This only applies where I apply my chamfer foil gel, premium iHo chamfer foil. There you go. It's so awesome. It's chamfer everything. This only is not chamfer wherever I'm not applying on. And I'm go ahead and using the condensed glue gels. This is a box number 87. Go ahead and using condensed glue gels. It's really one of a really fun, easy, simple, quick design you can definitely use and you can definitely achieve. I'm go ahead and using twin tip brush and pick up the smaller amounts of the condensed glue gel. You can able to do it like if you want to, if you know exactly where you are going to put your crystal placement, you can able to add it on exactly where you are going to do. If you are not, you can apply oil and tie the nails. Really not too much, just like a thin coat, a really good like a good thin coat of the condensed glue gels, and follow up with the no wipe top coat right on the top. The purpose of it, when you finish, it's completely finished. You don't have to go back and try to top coat it. And between condensed glue gels and no wipe top coat, it will adhere your crystal absolutely stay in one place. So I'm go ahead and pick this one. I'm gonna make a bigger red-nosed reindeer, and I'll place it a perfect drop. Move it right down in the middle, and also you can definitely adjusting, okay, You can definitely adjusting the reindeer bigger, smaller. Go ahead and put both the antler. And then you will see that the frame, I love the metal, silvers, and gold frame. And then also you can adjust however you would like. I just drop it. You can adjust however you want. You can cut it shorter or longer just using the clips. And then clip it to the you just need to clip it however you would like. You want to be shorter, longer. I just need to clip it. Then I clip it, bunch of them on the side right here. I'm going to show you all that once I clip it. Lily left already?
Mm-hmm.
Move it there. And I'm going to cut the smaller pieces. Just like fancy. Okay, this is all super simple. And I'm gonna using this super cute crystal AB from the ultimate crystal kit bling in the world. What is it?
Bling in the world. You can find them on the new arrival on our official website at glitzaccessoryandsuch.com.
And then she's probably have a huge, big, beautiful like red nose. I'm using the red nose, but using this crimson from this kit though. So this one definitely is depend on how you would like her. Is that too big?
That is fine.
Looks really cute, huh? She's like really adorable.
Yep, so whatever you do, make sure you have some crimson crystal. Because you can't have a red nose reindeer without a nose now.
Hey Dom, thank you so much, Dom. And then, what do you think if I put some of the crystal here on this side?
And yes, you can decorate your nails however you like. Once you have the centerpiece done, the rest is bling it out.
I'm get the beads right there. This is one of the ways, really simple. This is video is not only for all of you, it's a special for request for Jan. Hey Jan, if you are here is the respond and answer for your request. And for all of us just tuning in, I am doing really simple, quick and easy Rudolph's reindeer. It's like DIY your reindeer. If you don't have the one, it's pre-made, which is you can also get it from the website. All of the really special, even like of the $5 nail art also is on sales as well. So grab a lot of a cool, fun centerpiece, and then you can create so many different designs along with the holiday. All right, so the best thing about condensed glue gels and no wet top coat is not going to cure, dry set until you are going to cure it. I'm so happy. Okay, I'm gonna adjusting a little bit. So she's like must be really adorable. She's like have a lot of, she like have a big antler. I'm adjusting it, okay? Okay, so now you're happy? We are going to cure this for 60 seconds. It's a simple and easy, yeah?